In the last video, we talked about applying labels and statuses to different parts of your manuscript. Today we're talking about how you can display these for easy visual recognition in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Labels give you the most options for visual representation, and you can access these options under View and Use Label Colour in. Binder gives you dots of colour to the right of your binder items. Icon gives the icon the colour. Index cards gives you the icon and a bar of colour on the corkboard if you toggle this on in the corkboard menu. Outliner rows highlights in the outliner, which is another method of viewing your manuscript. Scrivening's titles highlights the titles in the text if you have that selected. However, this I find does not work all the time. Show as background colour in Binder will show a block of colour on the binder item. Personally, I like the icon only option. As far as status is concerned, this can be shown as a background word on the corkboard by toggling the status stamps in the View corkboard menu. For more detailed information on these functions and how you can customize them further, see these videos here.